A smile will gain you 10 more years of life. A man who cannot tolerate small misfortunes can never accomplish great thing. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Experience is a comb which nature gives us when we are bald. A crisis is an opportunity riding the dangerous wind. It's better to be without a book than to believe a book entirely. A little impatience will spoil great plans. A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. A book holds a house of gold. Be not afraid of growing slowly, be afraid only of standing still. Behave toward everyone as if receiving a guest. A fall into a ditch makes you wiser. Better a diamond with a flaw than a pebble without one. He who asks is a fool for 5 minutes, but he who does not ask remains a fool forever. An inch of time is an inch of gold, but you can't buy that inch of time with an inch of gold. A closed mind is like a closed book, just a block of wood. Better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. In a group of many words, there is bound to be a mistake somewhere in them. Listening well is as powerful as talking well, and is also as essential to true conversation. 2 good talkers are not worth 1 good listener. 100 no's are less agonizing than 1 insincere yes. If you want to find out about the road ahead, then ask about it from those coming back. There are 2 kinds of perfect people, those who are dead, and those who have not been born yet.